Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Rising Star Academy. Today we will do Chapter 1 Trigonometry, Exercise 1.1, question number 2. Let's start now. So here we have write each function value in term of co-function of a complementary angle. So first of all, we need to know what is the complementary angle. So complementary angle, when the sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. But here we need to find the co-function of a complementary angle. So what would be the co-function? If we subtract the given angle from 90, then we will get the co-function of a complementary angle. So let's start the question. Here we have tan of 87. So tan of 87 degree. So if we want to write the coterminal of the tan would be cot or cotangent. So it is complementary. So we subtract the given angle from 90 degree. So we have cot of 3 degree. It means your tan 87 degree is equals to cot of 3 degree. I would also prove by calculator. The both answer would become same, but you need to know that cot theta would be equals to 1 over tan of theta. So now I would use the calculator to check or verify our answer. So here my calculator is in degree mode. So I would check tan 87. My answer is 19.08. Now for cot, I would apply 1 over tan. So 1 divided by tan of 3 degree. 1 divided by tan of 3 degree, that is also 19.08. so it means both answers are same. So these are coterminal or co-function of each other. Now we will move to the part B. So here we have sine of 15. So sine coterminal function would be cos. So now I would write the solution for it. We'll write sine of 15 is equals to, so co-function for the sine would be cos. So sine of 15 degree would be equals to cos of 90 minus 15. That would be equals to cos of 75 degree. Now we will use the calculator that sine of 15 degree would be equals to cos of 75 degree. So let me check. So here we have sine of 15, that is root 6 minus root 2 by 4 is equals to, I would check it for cos of 75. The same answer we have, so it means it's the co-function of each other. Let's move to the next part now. Here we have a radian value, that is cos of pi by 12. So we know that 90 degree is equals to pi by 2 in radians. So I would write it. The inversion of cos would be sine pi by 2 minus pi by 12. We will make the denominator equal. So what would I do? I would multiply and divide by 6 to make the denominator equal. The next step would be sine of 6 pi by 12 minus pi by 12. Now we'll take the LCM, that would be 12. So 6 pi minus pi would be left. So our answer is sine of 5 pi by 12. Now I would use the calculator to verify my answer. First of all, I will change my calculator into radian mode. Now I will write the question value, that is cos pi by 12. So this is cos. Now shift pi divided by 12. So my answer is square root 6 plus square root 2 divided by 4. So remember it. Now I would check sine of 5 pi by 12. So here is sine bracket 5 shift pi divided by 12. So you can see the same answers are coming in both cases. So that is the proof that our question is correct. Now move to the next part. In this part we have sine 2 pi by 5. So we will write sine 2 pi by 5. So for co-function we will take cos. Now the same thing, pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 5. Now we will take the LCM. In this case, both denominator have different values. So we will multiply, like 2 times 5 in the denominator would become 10. Now we will do the cross multiply like this. So 5 into pi and 2 into 2 pi like this. So now we will write 5 pi minus 4 pi. That would be cos of 5 pi minus 4 pi would become 1 pi. So that would be pi by 10. Now I would check the calculator to verify my answer. Okay, so here we will check the question value, that is sine of 2 shift pi divided by 5. So answer is 0.951. So remember it, 0.951. Now I would check on cos, that is pi divided by 10. So again that is 0.951. So it means these are both the co-function of each other. Now move to the next part. Okay, for part E, we can see that we have CSC, that is the basically cosecant function. So COSEC, that is a cosecant function, that would be shortly written as CSC. Now, what is this cosecant function? That is the reciprocal of sine. The value given to us, that is in degrees, that is 14 degree and 24 minutes basically. This is our degree value. This is our minutes value. Now we know that in 1 degree we have 60 minutes. Okay, let's start the solution. So we will write the cosecant. We will write the cosecant 14 degree 24 minutes. So for the co-function of cosecant, we will take the secant. Now we will subtract it 90 minus 14 degree and 24 minutes. The simple approach is we use the calculator to find the answer for this, or we can also write 90 degree as in 89 degree, and definitely the 1 degree is left. We can convert into minutes, so we can write 90 degrees equals to 89 degrees 60 minutes. So that would be equal to 90 degree. We can also write like this, but I think so we can easily use the calculator to check the answer. So I would prefer use it. Now we will use the calculator over there. So here we will write 90. This function is the degree, minutes and seconds. I would press 90, then one time degree, then minus 14, then degree, and 24 minutes. Now put equal. So now we have 75 degree and 36 minutes and 0 seconds. So now I would write secant of 75 degree and 36 minutes. Now we can use the calculator to verify our answer. Right? So remember this, the cosecant is basically, that would be 1 over sine. So let me write. Here you can see that the cosecant theta is equals to 1 over sine theta and secant theta is equals to 1 over cos theta. In our calculator, there is no cosecant and secant function we can calculate. So we would need to convert into these functions. So now I would use these sine and cos to check my answer. So here is the calculator. So I would write 1 divided by, for cosecant I would use sine of 14 degree 24 minutes, and my answer is 4.02. You can see that. So let me write the answer is 4.02 just for check. Okay, now the next I would check 1 divided by, for secant I would use the cos 75 degree 36 minute. Now the answer is same again, 4.02. So that would cover. Check. Answer is verified now. Move to the next part. Now we will solve part E. So you can see that the angle is given 142 degree and 14 minutes, but we are finding the co-function for the complementary angle, and complementary angle, it should be less than 90 or the sum would be 90. So we need to reduce this angle because this is not complementary. So what we are going to do, we will subtract 90 from the answer. So let's see, that is sine of 142 degree 14 minutes would be equals to cos or cosine 142 degree 14 minutes minus 90 degree. Now I would use the calculator to simplify it. So we will write 142 degree 14 minutes minus 90 degree. So the answer would be 52 degree 14 minutes. Let me write. So cos of 52 degree and 14 minutes. Now we would verify it by using the calculator. Now we will verify our answer. So sine of 142 degree 14 minutes. The answer is 0.612. Okay, remember that, 0.612 for the question. Now I would verify the answer, that we have cos of 52 degree and 14 minutes. You can see over there. Here we have cos of 52 degree 14. So the answer is same, 0.612. It means our answer is correct. So it's verified.